Think you need special skills to make money online? Think again. AI tools are making it easier than ever to start freelancing from home. Welcome back to Cashflow Chronicles. Today I'm showing you how to turn AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Midjourney into money-making machines. No advanced skills required. Here's how it works. Step 1. Content creation. Businesses pay big bucks for blog posts, captions, and newsletters. Use ChatGPT to write professional content in minutes and charge $50 to $100 per project. Step 2. Graphic design. Not an artist? No problem. Canva AI lets you create stunning logos, social media graphics, or even YouTube thumbnails. Charge $20 to $50 per design. Step 3. Social media management. Companies need consistent posting, but they don't have time. Use scheduling tools like Buffer to automate content for them and earn $500 plus monthly per client. AI tools make you faster, which means you can take on more clients and earn more money. Freelancing with AI is the perfect side hustle for 2025. Work from anywhere, control your time, and let the tools do the heavy lifting. Ready to dive in? Comment below with the AI tool you're excited to try. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more money-making tips from Cashflow Chronicles. See you in the next one.